Chevy Super Dealers.
Well, by the end of high school football season, our normal high is in the 40s, but at the beginning of it, today, the normal high is pretty close to 80, and that's exactly what we had this afternoon across northeast Wisconsin. Many locations getting up into the 80s. The warmest day in exactly 1 week across much of the Fox Valley, with temperatures in those upper 70s to lower 80s. Right now, we still got a lot of lower 80s out there, including Wapaka and Watoma and also Appleton. It is cooler by the lake. 76 in Sturgeon Bay. We've got 73 in Kewaunee. In Appleton right now along College Avenue, it is mostly sunny. Just east, though, here in Little Chute, we're kind of looking at a mixture of clouds and sunshine. The temperature is in the lower 80s, and it's humid. Dew points are close to 70. In Green Bay, it's mostly cloudy and 77, with a dew point, once again, also close to 70 degrees. The radar this evening shows quiet weather across most of the viewing area. There's probably a few showers across the far north, northern Marinette County, up into the UP. North of that, we've been watching a line of thunderstorms steadily push east throughout the afternoon. Earlier on, there was a severe thunderstorm warning for one of those storms. Since then, the storms have started to weaken, and it looks like those thunderstorms will continue to just slowly push off towards the east as we head throughout the night. You can see lightning track 26 is showing all that cloud-to-ground lightning to the north across far northern Wisconsin and the UP. No active watches or warnings right now across the western Great Lakes, but there is still a marginal threat for severe weather north and west of Green Bay, which means if a couple of those storms get going, they could produce some gusty winds and some hail, but SkyCast is really not thinking that that's going to happen. As the cold front drops south, we'll have a chance for a couple of scattered showers or thunderstorms. This is a pretty impressive cold front, especially when you consider what's well behind it. We had 80s ahead of it today, 70s to around 80 immediately behind it, but up across Canada, afternoon temperatures were only in the 40s to around 50 degrees, and that much cooler weather is going to start pouring in here on Sunday. Tomorrow, northwest winds at times gusting 20 to 25 miles per hour will cool us back down. Look for mid to upper 70s south and east, lower to mid 70s north and west. The weather looks fantastic at Lambeau Field. Morning sunshine giving way to sun and clouds and gusty winds. Kickoff temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday, it's going to be windy and cooler, 60s to around 70. Sunshine giving way to sun and clouds or mostly cloudy conditions, maybe a shower. High temperatures will be below normal for this time of year, and it's something we need to get used to as we wrap up the month of August. Below normal temperatures are in the forecast almost every single day. So tonight, still a slight chance for a shower or even a thunderstorm as a cold front drops in from the north. Overnight lows will be in the lower 60s. Tomorrow, breezy and cooler, lots of sunshine, then sun and clouds. Highs will be in the mid to upper 70s. 60s to around 70 on Sunday and Monday. On Monday, if the clouds hold tough all day long, we could have locations that have highs closer to 60, however. Some 40s are likely. Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, that could actually mean some 30s across the north and maybe some frost advisories, Nina, for parts of northern Wisconsin before we start to warm up again as we head towards next weekend. And you know what next weekend is. Labor Day weekend.
I was going to say, you're going to say something about fall and summer being over, and I don't want to hear it.
The unofficial final weekend of summer.
Because this is that time of year I soak it all in, because I know in a few weeks we're going to be out here in all the layers and the hand warmers, because it's going to be freezing, and right now it's just spectacular weather to be outside. All right, Cameron. We'll stick ahead, because when we come back, your Fox Cities neighborhood reporter Noah Cornelius has been checking out both teams for tonight's showdown game, and he has more when we come right back.
Sky